explain to me why y'all buying so much milk? What are y'all doing with the milk?
Of the ice storm right now, only on Atlanta News First.
We are getting you ready for an ice storm that is on the way for North Georgia and parts of Metro Atlanta. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Carly Barnett.
And I am Wale Aliyu. It is good to be with you.
I believe we have been preparing for a snowstorm for the last 3 days. Everybody has been going absolutely crazy. The store's been nuts. The gas station's been crazy. We have been so prepared for Snowmageddon to hit Atlanta and to hit most of the southern states across the United States of America. I woke up to nothing. Unbearable. It's like regular. It's not cold enough for anything to freeze right now, and it's probably not going to do that until maybe 2, 3. I feel like it keeps getting pushed back a little bit later and a little bit later, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym now, get in a quick workout, just some cardio. I think I'm just gonna do the Stairmaster and maybe get a massage while I'm there. And then I'll head back home to the gym. And the gym was packed. Clearly, everyone was thinking the same exact thing.
Prepare for the weather.
Oh my God, I went to the grocery store. Let me tell you how I went to Publix, Walmart, Kroger, Aldi, and Ingles. Like, why did I end up going to 5 grocery stores?
Oh, baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let it wasted. Oh no. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth that chase your body.
So far, everybody's out because, you know, if it's gonna get cold later, then you do have time to go to the store, do what you need to do right now, get your last minute things. I pretty much have everything I need at home already, but I did want to make some cookies, so I went ahead and just got a couple of cookies, and that was it. Now that's the line that you introduce. blankets. It hasn't even been cold enough to freeze anything. I put salt in my driveway.
That's what that was? I'm being so serious. I looked out my window this morning.
Literally the only house in the neighborhood to put salt down in the driveway. And people were walking by and like looking at me crazy. Like, what is she doing?
Oh my gosh, I'm so confused.
Oh.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through poverty, on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away.
I feel like we got manipulated, and I feel like I got lied to, and like I really do not appreciate people lying to me. And I feel like the media just really sits and played in our faces. That's how I feel right now. Now I'm gonna take y'all outside in a little bit so we can see. Yeah.
My mirror, the blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding what I need is go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you.
The best snack to make during a snow day? Cookies. Period.
What could you have been doing now that the weather hasn't done anything?
Oh, I could have done anything. It's Saturday night. To be in on a Saturday night in Atlanta, I could have gone out on a solo date. I could have gone out with my friend, have done anything.
Only because you ain't here. Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. In the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm always. I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm cold.
Perfect for a snow day. If you're going to be snowed in, you should absolutely use this Get Ready With Me as a reference. And especially if you're snowed in with somebody, unlike me, like I'm snowed in. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. 7 p.m. Still no snow, still no ice, still no rain. Still not even cold enough to freeze yet, and I'm chilling right now. Like, I think I'm gonna turn the TV on in a few minutes and probably watch something. Somebody recommended I watch something called Beauty. My mom recommended I watch All the Queen's Men. I already finished His and Hers, which was 10 out of 10. So I'm probably gonna find something to watch. I also said I might get caught up on like the Real Housewives of something, because I literally have not watched it in so long. But so far, it's been super quiet, and I still haven't hung up any of my clothes that I wanted to do yet. So I might do that tomorrow. Church was already canceled. Well, it's going to be online. And school has already been canceled for Monday. So I'm guessing tomorrow is going to be the big event day. So I'm thinking overnight is when everything is going to start getting active. It's probably going to start snowing and raining and stuff like that overnight. And by the time we wake up in the morning, then it's probably going to be icy and snowy because there is a 100% chance of snow tomorrow. So first they told us Saturday 1 a.m., which would have been while we were sleeping Friday night. Then they moved it to Saturday 1 p.m. That came and went. And now it's Saturday 8 p.m. and nothing. When I say nothing, I guess I'm gonna just have to go eat me some snacks. But let me know, what are you guys doing on your snow day? I hope you enjoyed this fun little vlog. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be more active. I'm gonna do part 2. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow on snow day, part 2. Okay. Whew, okay, it's definitely cold. It's not snowing yet, but look at the sky, y'all. It's definitely looking like something is about to happen. Whew. It's cold. Oh my God. What just happened?
So, what did you think the weather was going to be like?